Hi everyone! So for my first video, my instructional video, I decided to do this app or website I found called Pocket. It can be downloaded into an app or website. It is free and it is for all devices, iOS, Google Play, Windows. It functions on all of those. So like I said, the first one I did was Pocket, and my two standards that these fall under are under the Education 2A, which states shape, advance, and accelerate a shared vision for empowered learning with technology by engaging with education stakeholders. And under the student standards, I chose 1B, and it says students build networks and customize their learning environments in ways that support the learning process. So, this app or website is basically just a study tool, and it can be used by teachers and students. So, what it is it's like a Discovery Ed kind of thing. It has a bunch of videos that you can save, articles, podcasts, anything like that. And like I said, you can download it into an app. So if you're trying to kill time or you're not around your laptop, you can download the app and you can look at this website that way. So I'm going to navigate through a little bit. I just created the account, so I haven't added much to it, but I'm going to show basically how to get through it. So I have home. I already have something added to my list. I already added a article to my list because I was trying to see how exactly the website worked, but I'll go back and show you how I got to that point. So, so you have my list, you have your archives, favorites, highlights, tags, articles, videos. So you can actually filter the articles and things that you find or discover. You can filter them under these tabs. So when you click on the Discover tab, it just has a bunch of the trending articles or videos or podcasts and things like that. Um, and you can look through them and read them. And then if you're looking for something specific, you can go to Explore. It will open up a new tab on the website. On the app, it actually doesn't. It keeps you on the same app. It won't switch tabs. So you can type in the search bar what interests you if you're looking for something specific or something along the lines of your subject that or topic that you are wanting to teach. So I typed in Charles Darwin. I do teach science and I do love Charles Darwin. And then you hit Search Pocket and it brings up related articles that you can look through. And this is the one that I chose. It was actually an article. So you click on it and it brings up the article for you. So if you like the article or the podcast or the video and you want to save it, you just go back and down in this little corner, you just hit save. Okay, once you save it and you're satisfied with the article that you picked, you just go back to the Pocket homepage. And then you can go to my list and the video that you saved is right here, or podcast or article. So my goal and objective of this was to give teachers a resource to try to find different things as far as for their discussions or lectures or activities if they wanted their students to listen to a podcast. And I also thought it would be a great learning tool for students if they wanted another studying resource, if they just didn't want to go by the book or the lecture notes and they wanted to learn a little bit more about the subject and topic they were on, I thought this was a really good resource as well. So that is Pocket.